Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the fourth ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This ayah begins with the word ثم. Now for this word, be careful with the makhraj of tha. Take your tongue, the tip of your tongue towards the edges of your front teeth. Okay, and then join it with the meme. The meme here has shadda. That means you will have to stretch the gunna. Thumma. Okay, stretch your gunna and then join your meme with the ra. The ra over here should be heavy and give it moderate time. Don't bounce your ra. And don't get confused with this hamzatul wasl. You don't have to consider that. From the meme, go to the ra. Okay, and then take care of the makhraj of jim. Don't read it with air. Okay, it should be thumma roji. And then I take care of the makhraj of ain. Give it hit the makhraj properly. That is the middle part of your throat. And then join your ain with the lam. Okay, then give moderate timing to your lam. The way you gave to your ra over here. Okay, ثُمَّ رُجِعِ الْبَصَرَ. Now here, while you read all the three letters, ba, sa, ra, take care of the tafkhim and tarqiq of the letters. Now what do you mean by tafkhim and tarqiq? Tafkhim means the heaviness. Tarqiq means the lightness. Okay, so now here, the letter ba is a light letter, so don't make it heavy, not ba. It should be ba. Ba, sa, ra. Okay, ba, sa, ra. Your sad should be heavy, your ra should be heavy, inshallah. Okay, and moving on to this word, karrataini. Your calf should be light. Join your calf with the ra. Make your ra heavy. Karra. Karra. And don't trill too much. Okay, the trill for your ra should be just one or two. Karra, this is enough. Not karra, not this way. Okay, so take care of that. It should be karrataini. The lean over here should be correct, strong, not tani, taini. Okay, moving on to the next word, which is yanqalib. Now here, if you look at it carefully, you see that the noon is sakin followed by a letter of. Now you know what is this rule over here, right? This is ikhfa. Yes, you will have to hide your noon over here. Okay, so what will you do? You will not go close to the makhraj of noon, and you will have to do heavy ikhfa. You already know this. We saw this in the last class, right? Whenever noon sakina is followed by a heavy letter, then what do? We do heavy ghanna while we are hiding our noon. So we'll do the same thing over here. Okay, we'll read it like yanqalib. Okay, and your qaf should be without air. Yanqalib. Okay, inshallah, and bounce your ba over here because your ba is sakin. So you will have to do qalqala over it. Now here, ilayka al-basaru. Now, Hamza should be given one count, and this is easy. Just take care of your kasra. Okay, don't read it with weak kasra, not ilayka, not like that. E. Okay, ilayka al-basaru. Okay, your lean over here should be strong, not lay, not like that. Should be lay. Ilaykal. The lamb should be given moderate time. Then basaru. Ba light, sa heavy, ru heavy. Basaru. Okay, and then this one khasi'a. Okay, if you stop over here, what will you do? You will consider the fathatain and you will change this fathatain, or you will substitute the fathatain to alif mad, and you will stop it with 2 counts. Okay, so if we stop, we'll stop like khasi'a. Okay, inshallah. But if we continue, what do? We will merge the noon sakina, which is hidden in this tanween, into the waw, and we will do idgham over here. Okay, so we'll read it like خاسئا وهو. How do we read? خاسئا وهو حسير. Now, ha should be sharp, sin should be light. You can stretch the mud over here to 2, 4, 6 counts. 2, 4, or 6 counts. Okay, so just stick to one, either 2 or 4 or 6. Okay, inshallah. So, can give your counts. It's completely optional. You can either go with 2 or 4 or 6, inshallah. And then your ra at the end should be light because this is preceded by a ya sakina. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So practice well with the Shaykh. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.